So we're up in the mountains of northern Utah here. You can see the dark clouds kind of started rolling in. There was a thunderstorm warning on the radio as we were going up the mountain. But we ended up going further up into this kind of green area there and setting up camp. And later in the video you'll kind of see how bad the storm got. But it was a pretty nice area and there was really nobody else on the mountain at the time. So I have two Dutch Shepherds. I decided to leave my other one at home. Jax, he's a little bit more well-behaved, so I kind of wanted to relax on this trip, and he just hung around me and he never wandered off or anything. I put a collar on him that lights up at night. It's not turned on now, but you'll see later as it gets darker. I can kind of just be able to look out and see where he's at all times because that thing gets pretty bright. So originally the plan was to take the Tacoma as far as I could up the mountain and then get out and backpack the rest of the way to the top and set up a tent and do it like that. But with the forecast and all the thunderstorm warnings, I decided to just sleep in the back of the Tacoma with the mattress and do the whole overlanding thing. So it actually worked out good. I brought this big box with all of my gear in it and was able to even bring like the firewood and everything that I had, so I didn't rough it at all this trip, so it was kind of nice. But here we're just I'm putting some water in the fire for a mountain house meal. Just being able to get away from as many people as possible is kind of my main goal when I do these sort of trips. I remember when I used to kind of reserve a campsite or hope that I would be able to find a campsite and that the people next to me weren't going to be too annoying. Since I've had the Tacoma and have discovered some trails, I've been able to kind of just get away and not have to worry about my dog running into someone's campsite or them being freaked out by the dog or having to tie my dog up. My rule of thumb is if the trail is easy enough for a Subaru to get up it, then I'll find some other trail. So I've lucked out in my area that there's a lot of places like this.